If you're preparing for CAT 2027 and are thinking of skipping CAT 2026 because you're not fully prepared, avoid doing this. Because skipping CAT 2026 could actually put you at a disadvantage next year. In this video, I'll explain why attempting CAT 2026, even if CAT 2027 is your real target, can be one of the smartest decisions that you make during your MBA preparation journey. Most CAT aspirants believe that they should only write the exam once they're 100% ready. But CAT isn't just a quant DILR and VARC test. It also tests how you handle the pressure, how you manage your time, and your decision-making skills. These are some things that you need to truly understand before you sit for the actual exam. You may have taken dozens of mock tests, but the real CAT exam feels different. On the exam day, you're sitting with thousands of serious aspirants competing for that same top B school spot. In that situation, suddenly every question feels more important, every minute feels faster, and every decision matters more. By attempting CAT 2026, you'll experience the actual exam environment, the CAT interface, sectional time pressure, question selection under stress, and the overall exam atmosphere. That when you sit for CAT 2027, none of this will be new to you. If you're planning to write CAT 2027 and have not started your prep yet, start it by taking our free daily targets. This is a free feature that you will definitely use and will definitely help in your preparation journey. Don't regret missing out on the daily targets, as daily targets has remained a constant in countless CAT toppers' journeys. Many students think that they know their weak areas based on the mock tests that they take, but the actual CAT often reveals something completely different. For example, you may think quant is your weakest section, but after CAT you might realize that your biggest problem is spending 12 minutes on that one difficult DILR set. Or maybe your concepts are fine, but exam pressure affects your decision making. These insights are extremely valuable because they help you focus on the right problems before CAT 2027. One of the biggest reasons students underperform in CAT is the fear of unknown. Question like, what will the exam center be like? What if I panic? What if the paper is difficult? All these doubts subside once you have already taken CAT once. After taking CAT 2026, you'll know exactly how the exam center process works, how the interface looks, how the timer functions, and how much pressure can you really handle. And already knowing all these can make a very big difference when you're taking CAT 2027. Imagine two CAT 2027 aspirants. Student A skips CAT 2026 and continues giving mocks. Student B appears for CAT 2026, analyzes their mistakes, understands their weak areas, and changes their strategy. Who do you think has more advantage? In most cases, student B obviously has more advantage because they're prepared based on the real exam data, not on assumptions. After CAT 2026, you can analyze which type of VARC passages suit you, whether you selected the right DILR sets, which quant topics slowed you down, whether you followed your strategy or panicked. That's priceless information that cannot be found through taking mock tests. So can you score 99 percentile in CAT 2027 without attempting CAT 2026? Absolutely. Many students do. But if you have already completed a reasonable portion of the syllabus, attempting CAT 2026 is a low risk, high reward opportunity. CAT has no limit on attempts. The experience you can gain through this can significantly improve your preparation, confidence, and strategy for CAT 2027. So don't fear taking CAT 2026. Think of it as the best mock test you'll ever take. If you want to stay ahead of others who are preparing for CAT 2027, join our CAT 2027 complete course. You will gain access to 1,000 plus concept videos, 22,000 plus solved questions, daily live classes, MBA mocks, 45 plus sectionals, and 600 plus daily targets. This course is your one-stop solution to cracking CAT 2027. If you want free material for CAT, just comment down below CAT material and we will send you the link for the free material. And for all MBA related updates and content, make sure that you subscribe.